Mr. Speaker, the Honourable Member of Parliament is inviting the Commander-in-Chief to insist that even when generals have attained the mandatory retirement age, they should still be kept. I have submitted here that out of the 12, 8 had reached that threshold. That is the reality on the ground. And this is why, Mr. Speaker, when I gave a similar briefing to the Committee on Defense, Interior and Security, I cautioned that let us be cautious about the kinds of things that we discuss in the public domain regarding defense, security, and interior. The fact is, all 15 generals, 2-star and above, have not been released from the Ghana Armed Forces, as your question alluded. 8 had reached the compulsory retirement age, and they've been processed for their terminal leaves pending release. Only 4 will fall in the category that you are mentioning. And I've also stated here and now that three of them, okay, one has been appointed by this administration as the acting president of the National Defense University. 2 are serving with the UN. This is what we refer to as ensuring service efficiency, which is a rationale.